We have today some good news about our Forex automated trading bot error, right? I made this video yesterday talking about how I am in contact with support, and now today we have a resolution about this. So please stick around and don't miss it. Very good news. Welcome back, my friends. JD Marks here with the TradeSpot channel, always in search for that special passive income opportunity through our loved automated bots. Hands-free trading, my friends. That's what we are looking for, and a good source of income for us, our family, and our future. All right. So yeah, today we have very good news about our Forex trading bot. As you guys know, I've already talked about this, but I'm always trying to diversify my investments and to diversify my income stream. This is what the most rich people in the world have done, and that's why they are extremely rich, because they never ever trust in one stream of income. So I advise you to do the same, and that's what I'm doing, and this is mostly what this channel is all about. I'll be always researching and trying to find alternative streams of income, passive income mostly, and exclusively through automated trading bots. Right, I've been on this road for quite a few years, and to make some money on the internet at home, from home, it's not an easy task. It can be done through, of course, several other opportunities, but for me the most trustable has been the automated trading bots. All right, trading is something that I love to do. Been doing for 15 years. I really love it, but it's not always that you can be in front of a computer for hours waiting for a trade, and it is tiring. After 15 years, I've decided to automate my trades and use artificial intelligence to trade my assets. Okay, so this is it, guys, and that's why we are going to the Forex automated trading bots. I want to tell you that I love crypto. I've been involved in Bitcoin mining since 2012, when I got ripped off by a guy in India and they stole all my money. We were building some machines to mine Bitcoin in 2012, but those things happen, and that's another thing that I want to talk to you guys. Have a strong why you are doing this, because it's not going to be easy. Don't let anybody tell you that it's completely easy. Let's make $100 a day or $1,000 a day. It's not like this. Okay, the reality is completely different. You have to work a lot to get to this point. So many things will happen. Some platforms will work, some others won't. Nothing is guaranteed in crypto, so have a strong why and keep strong at it, because you can do it. You can do it. I believe in you, and believe in yourself and go for it. Okay, always, never give up. Okay, so you guys have seen a little bit of the drama that I showed you yesterday on this video here. It was really a pity that the bot started to fail, and we contacted support. Actually, support contacted us before anything and told us about the error, about the problem that they were having, advising us to shut down the bots. Okay, So as for now, these opportunities are very good support. I'm really liking it. So let's see how it goes. I'm sorry, but I don't want to share the name of this platform yet because I need to fully test all the opportunities that I find, new ones, before I can share this with you guys. If I don't trust, if I don't see the fundamentals are good, the company is good, I will never share this with you. Okay, and even more, if the bots don't work, then I will never share anything with you guys. I want to share the profitable bots and the safest ones. Okay, so that's why. And I hope in a few weeks I can start to refer you guys to this platform, because in the beginning we are making a lot of money. We only $500. It's a trial account, it's not real money, but the bots are trading the same. And as you can see here, on the first days, they were very, very good. I was very excited about this platform. But guess what? I'm excited again because support have replied for us, for all the members actually. So here what happened, they use a broker, very famous broker based in Australia since 2007, that is IC Markets, right? They are very big, they are very important broker in the Forex market. So but one thing that they have had with these guys is that they had a little bit of an issue with managing the account, this Forex bot account. So Dan is the guy that is ahead of this business, and here he explains what happened. I'm not going through all the chat that they had with the IC market support, but essentially, as they only asked it to add 5,000 pounds on the platform, and in the end, the operator there closed all trades and messed with the bots, and it was a real problem. But yeah, the problem is solved. The IC markets guys asked for, was very apologetic. So as from this email right now, the problem is solved and the bots are running smoothly again. So sorry for that. Whoa, very sorry. So sorry again. So what we are going to do now is to restart our bots and to see how we are going to go with this new setup and with the fixes that they have done. What they say here is that they have a winning ratio of 75%. It's very high, extremely high actually, because in trading, you can't win every day. And even a bot, even artificial intelligence, of course, I think that in some cases they will do better than us because you take out the emotion. But it's a very high winning rate. So let's test this one and see if that's true as well. Okay, so here they say, based on every 500 pounds in balance account, $10 profit per day trading, 17 pounds only for margin requirement. This is very good. All right, and usually you get a drawdown of minus 12 pounds. This is excellent. This is nothing. All right, so the returns that they are talking about is about 40% every 20 trading period. Why they say 20 trading period? Because this is Forex, this is not crypto. So this market is not open 24/7. They are only open through Monday through Friday. I mean, sometimes it's Monday in China and it's Sunday. They say 6 days a week, but count as 5 days a week. So that's what you have in a month. 20 trading days, and for 20 trading days to achieve 40% profitability, it's excellent. It's something out of this world. So let's start testing all this all over again. I wanted to show you that yes, I want to show you the bots. Of course, once I'm completely confident that this bot is working, I'm going to tell you the name of the platform, the name of the guy, I'll put you in contact with them, and everything's going to be awesome, I hope. So I wanted to show you this first. The IC Markets, this has been here since 2007. It's not a broker that is, just brought up from some obscure guys trading. It's not, they are here for a long time. And as I said as well, then from this platform here, the Forex trading bot, they are on a platform that you can follow up his trades as well. So complete transparency, and let's hope the bot do what it is supposed to do. And I'll be waiting for this 40% every 20 trading days. That is 40% profitability a month. This is huge, guys. So let's hope the bot works. So I wanted to show you the bots here. Once you are inscribed, they are going to show you everything and send you everything through email. It's a very easy setup to do, but as you can see here, they use a VPS, so it's in there. They are trading your account. Your money is safe inside the broker. You can move your money whenever you want, but the trades are done through their servers. It's a VPS. As you can see here, they are using the MT4 platform, a very, very famous trading platform for the Forex users. Like I said, I have evolved to NinjaTrader platform. I think it's much better, but I have used MT4 for many, many years, and it's a very reliable, very nice platform. Okay guys, so from here I wanted to show you these trading bots. They are back on track. Yesterday, as you can see, they were losing like 500 pounds, 700 pounds, and they are already managing to recover a bit. Let's give a few days here for them to trade, and let's see how things go. I really hope that this platform and this bot start working again, because it's a very nice way for you to diversify. Sometimes crypto get a little crazy, too crazy, so you can always have a backup plan. And the backup plan for me on these terms are to trade Forex with an automated bot. It has nothing to do with crypto. I don't care the price of Bitcoin or anything else, Of course I care, and it's not like this. I'm just saying that you have an alternative here, and this is very good to have. Always diversify your investments. So I wanted to show you that the bots are already recovering. Let's hope they recover full. They are saying my account is with 1,000 pounds. I don't know this. I will wait a few days because I started with 500. I don't know if they cover up my loss. And despite this trial account, it's not real money. Sorry. But okay, that's what I wanted to show you guys. This is I'm starting to get very excited again with this Forex automated bots. Okay, so in a few days I hope to update you guys again. But I wanted to do it right away because the bots are running again, so it's a very good news. All right, so very glad to have you guys here. Please subscribe to our channel if you think it's worth it. Of course, if you think it's helpful for you guys, please subscribe and hit the bell so you can get the notification of the latest videos. We try to make videos every day. So thank you very much for watching. It's always a pleasure to be here with you guys. I love doing this, and I love researching for these automated bots as well. So all good, everybody happy, and let's keep this way. All right, so thank you very much. I see you on the next video.